Want to manage your Outlook calendar faster and smarter? In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create and manage Outlook calendar in a second. First, prepare your calendar data. This could be your weekly meetings, holidays, or any other events. Just list them out with the date, time, and description. Copy it. Next, open ChatGPT and type something like make in.ics file of this calendar data and provide a downloadable file. And paste it here and enclose the data in quotation marks. ChatGPT will generate the ICS file for you in a second. Once ChatGPT provides the file link, click the download it to your computer. Now open Outlook. Click on the file. Then open and export, and then click on Import Export. Then select Import in Calendars and click Next. Browse to the file you downloaded and select it. You will be asked whether to open as new calendar, to keep it separate, or import into existing calendar to merge it with your current one. Pick the option that suits you best. And that is it, your Outlook calendar is now updated and managed. Thanks to ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI productivity tips. Thanks for watching.